Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. I've been to two shops today, Aldi and Asda, and I've actually got some bargains in Asda for a change. I got this peri peri whole chicken. That was £2.23. They're usually about £4.50, £4.60, so I'm happy with that, less than half price. Looks like it's quite nice bacon, £1.92. I think it was £4.48 originally, so again less than half price. I got 2 packets of 5% steak mince. They were £1.93 each, so I'm going to be cooking today. So I'm going to do 2 shepherd's pies and a big pot of bolognese. Yum yum yum. And I got some reduced fruity hot cross buns. They're a bit bland because they're plain, but when you toast them they have a bit more spiciness in them. And they were 64p instead of £1. And there's whipped skyr. They're usually 99 pence, I think, or oh no, 1.25, and it was 37. So a big load of meat there. I'm really happy about it. And some sweet treats, and that came to £9 too. So I think that was a good little haul. Then I crossed over the road and went to Aldi, and there wasn't much there today. There were a few things reduced, but it wasn't what I wanted. So this is what I got today. I got apple juice for my son. I got some Greek yoghurt, that's 85 pence. I got a big block of cheddar cheese, that's usually £2.49, but it's gone up to £2.69, I've noticed. Because I'm doing bolognese, I thought I'd get some nice Italian cheese. This is £1.59. I got a packet of chocolate eclairs, they're 75 pence. A tub of hummus, that's 99 pence. A bag of easy peelers, they're 89 pence. Some cat sticks for my cat, you get 10 for 99 pence, so it's like 10p each. Got some clubs for my son. He likes to stick them in his pocket and bring to work. They're £1.49, I've noticed they've gone up lately. And a tin of sardines for my dog, which is 49 pence. So a nice little haul. Nothing unusual there, just bits and bobs that we needed and some toffee treats for the pets, and that came to £12.48. So I've spent about £21 today. Yeah, and I'm a happy bunny. I think the Asda ones were a better bargain, but you can't always get something reduced, can you? But yeah, I'll be cooking up a storm today. So watch out for my videos for the bolognese and the shepherd's pie if you're interested as well. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Lovely comments this week. So nice, especially over my Nana's video. Hope to see you soon and look after you and yours. Bye for now.